Anji, good afternoon everyone. Today 9th of August 2021 going to explain last concept from the topic that is natural vegetation and wildlife. In that chapter we have studied how the natural vegetation is helping to maintain ecosystem. What kind of natural vegetation is being available in India? Like 90,000 we have availability of fauna, 47,000 flora. Out of that 2000 we have the variety of birds and 2546 variety of fish. So this much of the variety we have here in India. In spite of this wide variety, some of the element excessive use of the natural resources, not caring the natural resources, some of the flora and fauna is getting extinct. 49 and 52% plants and other things are also like so to protect them, government has ensured to give protection. Government has taken the suggested measures to protect it, and now we will be going to do what kind of protective measures were being taken by the government. First one was hunting and poaching was totally banned. Hunting and poaching was totally banned. And second is Wildlife Protection Act was being introduced in 1972. Wildlife Protection Act was being introduced in 1972, which was further giving protection to the, you can say, biodiversity. Second are like 18 biosphere reserves. Here, wherever you have 14, write down 18. 18 biosphere reserve has been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna. If you have old book, it might be written 14. You have to do it and change it up to 18. It is on page number 50, right hand side, first point. To protect flora and fauna of the country, the government has taken many steps. Number one, 18 biospheres reserves has been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna. Then 4 out of these are, इनमें से 4 कौन-कौन से हैं? Number 1 is Sundarban in West Bengal, Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu, and Nilgiris in Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu have been included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserve. Total कितनी biodiversities हैं? 80. और में से 4 main कौन सी हैं? Sundarban. Then second one is Nanda Devi. Third is Gulf of Mannar, and fourth is Nilgiri. So these points you have to learn. Fine. Next आ जाता है आपका what kind of protective measures. Financial and technical assistance were being provided many botanical garden by the government since 1992. 1992 के बाद botanical gardens कोई भी मतलब जो नेचुरल रिजर्व प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट के अंदर आते थे उनको गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से असिस्टेंस भी आनी शुरू हो गई, गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से फंडिंग आनी स्टार्ट हो गई, पैसा आना स्टार्ट हो गया टू प्रोटेक्ट एंड यूज ऑल द इक्विपमेंट which is being required for the maintenance of natural habitats. Third is Project Tiger, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पर 1974 के बाद सिर्फ 1473 टाइगर्स रह गए. So to give protection to the tiger, Project Tiger was implemented. Then Project Rhino, One on Rhino, and then Project Great Indian Buster, जिसको नीलगाय बोलते हैं. नीलगाय एक्सटिंक्ट होने लगी, ठीक है, और उसको बचाने के लिए ये प्रोजेक्ट्स जो हैं चलाए गए. 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स. क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, write or name the 3 projects which were being started by the government for the protection of a biosphere or natural vegetation or flora fauna. क्या किया गया? Number 1 Project Tiger, number 2 Project Rhino, and third is Project Great Indian Buster. So these were the developmental projects have been introduced. Next point आ जाता है, यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है 89 national park. That should be 102 national parks. 490 wildlife sanctuaries लिखा हुआ है. That should be 535. And zoological gardens were set up to take care of natural heritage. 535 बच्चे. 103 national parks, 535 wildlife sanctuaries and zoological gardens. अब यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है आपके बुक में 14 बायो रिजर्व्स. प्लीज कट इट डाउन. 14 को काट के कर लीजिए 18. ग्रीन बॉक्स, ब्लू बॉक्स ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सुंदरबन डाटा में जहाँ लिखा हुआ है, if it is written 14 biospheres, name are same, there is nothing problem in that. Sundarbans, Gulf of Mannar, the Nilgiris, Nanda Devi, Nokrek, and Great Nicobar, Manas, Simlipal, Dihang Dibang, there are two. इकट्ठे दे दिए. Dihang Dibang, Dibru, Shekwa, and Agastya Malai, Kanchenjunga, Pachmari, and Amarkantak, and you can say Archan Kam. ठीक है. So these are the biospheres. अब हमने कितने करने हैं इसमें? 14 की जगह लिखना है 18. ठीक है. So these points are being done by the government to protect the flora and fauna. Next point, all these must be realized the importance of the natural ecosystem, because the survival of human being is possible if there will be a proper balance. Next concept आ जाता है हमारा migrating birds. Migrating birds. Some of the water wetland area यानी कि वो एरिया जो झील है या समुद्र के किनारे है, वहां पर माइग्रेट करते हैं बर्ड्स. फर्स्ट बर्ड जो आता है 1 मार्क का, दैट इज साइबेरियन क्रेन. Siberian crane bird is being given over there. Underline that. Siberian crane, during the winter they came here in the large number. One such place is favorable for the bird, that is Run of Kutch. Run of Kutch में ज्यादा birds आते हैं क्योंकि वहां पर क्या है, एक तो रेतीला स्थान है और दूसरा क्या है, इंडियन जो है सी शोर है. So during that area, flamingo, next bird जो आ गया flamingo, with their brilliant pink plumage, come in the thousands of the bird nest, mount over here in the softy and raise their young one. यहाँ पर आते हैं flamingo and you can say Siberian crane, or you can say pink plumage. They are coming over here and they give the birth to their young ones and groom them and then move back when the climate condition is not good for them. So this type of you can say ecological significance is also remarkable for our Indian also, because of India is considered to be as a monsoon, and India is making the availability for the natural surroundings also. So name you have to learn, that is flamingo, Siberian crane and pink plumage. 3 names, those who are considered to be as the migrating birds. So question आ सकता है, name the migrating bird. Is it okay? One more question I just want to add here. On page number 50, left hand side from the bottom there is 5th line. Every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. Is the line is available? मिल गई line? इनको inverted comma में करिए. Every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. आगे लिखिए justify the statement. Question मिल गया? You have to answer this question in the proper way. Like every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. It's कोई भी चाहे insect है, insect is also making the pollination effect. Pollination वही करता है. Birds are helping to transfer the seed in the natural way from one area to another area. अब पीपल का पेड़ हम लोग कभी भी लगाते नहीं है. पीपल अपने आप जंगलों में या साइड्स पर बाहर झाड़ियों में अपने आप हो जाता है. वो कैसे? बर्ड्स उसके जो भी उनके पॉइंट होते हैं थोड़े से सीड्स, वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर ले जाते, उठा के खाते खाते चले गए, जहां पर जाकर फेंक दिया वहां पर उसका पेड़ लगना स्टार्ट. आपने देखा होगा जो घर जिनकी साफ सफाई नहीं होती है ज्यादा, उनकी छतों पर आपको पीपल लगा हुआ नजर आता होगा. देखा हुआ है? एवर सीन? बाहर भी लगे, वो ऑटोमेटिकली लग जाते हैं बिकॉज वो बर्ड्स जो है वो उनके सीड को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह खाते खाते चले गए, फेंक दिया, वो ऑटोमेटिकली नेचुरल वेजिटेशन जो है वो ग्रो करते हैं. सो एवरी प्लांट, every animal, every insect, every matlab human organism, they all are interdependent upon each other. So we have to maintain this ecosystem and everyone is responsible in this regard. Will you be able to answer this question? With this, we have done this complete chapter assignment. I will share with you on the WhatsApp group, and you have to complete your both the map work. Second is all the question answers I'll send you in the group. But one table will be there which will be comprising about all the, you can say, types of vegetation, along with their amount of rainfall, along with their availability of plants, and you can say availability of animals. So that chart you have to make by taking the double sheet from your notebook. एक डबल शीट इकट्ठी लगा लेना, उसके ऊपर आप प्रॉपर अपना स्क्वायर में बना के, the way I had created, because it's a handwritten assignment, I will be going to share. Is it okay? So tomorrow we will be going to start our next chapter, that will be constitutional design from your civics book, and bring your books for that.